Here are 10 amazing benefits of consuming 5 oranges daily, as follow. 1. Rich source of vitamin C. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts the immune system. It helps the body fight off infections, promotes healthy skin, and aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based sources. 2. High in fiber. Oranges, especially when eaten whole, are a good source of dietary fiber. Fiber aids digestion by preventing constipation, promoting regular bowel movements, and supporting a healthy gut. 3. Antioxidant properties. Oranges contain flavonoids, carotenoids, and ascorbic acid, which act as antioxidants. These compounds neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 4. Heart health. Potassium, a mineral found in oranges, helps regulate blood pressure. Consuming potassium-rich foods like oranges can assist in maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system and reducing the risk of hypertension and stroke. 5. Hydration. Oranges have high water content, which helps keep the body hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for various bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. 6. Boosted energy levels. Oranges contain natural sugars, such as fructose and sucrose, providing a quick energy boost. This makes them a healthy snack option, especially for athletes and individuals needing instant energy. 7. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in oranges may help prevent certain types of cancer. Studies suggest that consuming citrus fruits like oranges may reduce the risk of developing cancers, particularly those of the stomach and esophagus. 8. Improved vision. Oranges contain vitamin A and other compounds that are beneficial for eye health. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision, especially in low-light conditions, and helps prevent age-related macular degeneration. 9. Bone health. Oranges contain vitamin C, which is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that supports joint and bone health. Adequate vitamin C intake can contribute to the prevention of osteoporosis and arthritis. Remember that while oranges offer numerous health benefits, it's important to consume them as part of a balanced diet. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables ensures you receive a wide range of nutrients essential for overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.